风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係美長。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。现在过年的时候啊，我们除了回乡啊，然后要拿红包、收红包之外，还要拜拜，对，
拜天公、拜祖先。
You got to do your prayers during New Year's. So how do you say that? Prayers， 拜拜。
拜牙，
拜牙，比如说大年初一，我打算去庙里拜拜。On the first day of the Lunar New Year's, I'm going to go to the temple to do my prayers.
年初一，
年初一，
挨安孫，
挨安孫，
去廟空，
去廟空，
拜牙，
拜牙 ，That's it. 拜牙 is prayers. 廟空就是
廟裡面
啊，廟 is the temple. 廟空 inside the temple do my prayers. 另外还有一个机会就是啊，我知道
初五
要开工
开工
了，要上班了，但是老板很开心啊，要赚大钱，对不对？所以呢，员工一定要一起开工拜拜，right? So on the 5th day, that's when you return to work and you also do prayers with the company. 大部分公司都会在年初五开工拜拜。
太鋪款，
太鋪款，
公司，都會啲，年初五，去公拜牙，
去公拜牙。Okay, 去公就是開工 right? That is to start work actually on the 5th day of the Lunar New Year. Very good. Let's review all these useful phrases, including the temple, 廟 and then to start work, 開工
去公，
and finally, it's all about those prayers. Bye-bye.
拜牙，
拜牙. And by doing so, you'll have a lucky whole new year. Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.